How does immune system work in your body? The immune system has a vital role. It protects your body from harmful substances, germs and cell changes that could make you ill. It is made up of various organs, cells and proteins. As long as your immune system is running smoothly, you don't notice that it's there. But if it stops working properly, because it's weak or can't fight particularly aggressive germs, you get ill. Germs that your body has never encountered before are also likely to make you ill. Some germs will only make you ill the first time you come into contact with them. These include childhood diseases like chickenpox. Parts of the immune system. The main parts of the immune system are white blood cells, antibodies, complement system, lymphatic system, spleen, bone marrow, thymus. White blood cells are the key players in your immune system. They are made in your bone marrow and are part of the lymphatic system. White blood cells move through blood and tissue throughout your body, looking for foreign invaders, microbes, such as bacteria, viruses, parasites and fungi. When they find them, they launch an immune attack. White blood cells include lymphocytes, such as B cells, T cells and natural killer cells, and many other types of immune cells. Antibodies help the body to fight microbes or the toxins, poisons they produce. They do this by recognizing substances called antigens on the surface of the microbe, or in the chemicals they produce, which mark the microbe or toxin as being foreign. The antibodies then mark these antigens for destruction. There are many cells, proteins and chemicals involved in this attack. Complement system. The complement system is made up of proteins whose actions complement the work done by antibodies. Lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a network of delicate tubes throughout the body. The main roles of the lymphatic system are to manage the fluid levels in the body, react to bacteria, deal with cancer cells, deal with cell products that otherwise would result in disease or disorders, absorb some of the fats in our diet from the intestine. Spleen. The spleen is a blood filtering organ that removes microbes and destroys old or damaged red blood cells. It also makes disease-fighting components of the immune system, including antibodies and lymphocytes. Bone marrow. Bone marrow is the spongy tissue found inside your bones. It produces the red blood cells our bodies need to carry oxygen, the white blood cells we use to fight infection, and the platelets we need to help our blood clot. Thymus. The thymus filters and monitors your blood content. It produces the white blood cells called T lymphocytes. How is the immune system activated? The immune system can be activated by a lot of different things that the body doesn't recognize as its own. These are called antigens. Examples of antigens include the proteins on the surfaces of bacteria, fungi and viruses. When these antigens attach to special receptors on the immune system cells, a whole series of processes are triggered in the body. Once the body has come into contact with a disease-causing germ for the first time, it usually stores information about the germ and how to fight it. Then, if it comes into contact with the germ again, it recognizes the germ straight away and can start fighting it faster. The body's own cells have proteins on their surface, too. But those proteins don't usually trigger the immune system to fight the cells. Sometimes the immune system mistakenly thinks that the body's own cells are foreign cells. It then attacks healthy, harmless cells in the body. This is known as an autoimmune response. Fever is an immune system response. A rise in body temperature, or fever, can happen with some infections. This is actually an immune system response. A rise in temperature can kill some microbes. Fever also triggers the body's repair process. Helpful ways to strengthen your immune system and fight off disease. Your first line of defense is to choose a healthy lifestyle. Following general good health guidelines is the single best step you can take toward naturally keeping your immune system strong and healthy. Every part of your body, including your immune system, functions better when protected from environmental assaults and bolstered by healthy living strategies such as these. Don't smoke. Eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables. Exercise regularly. Maintain a healthy weight. If you drink alcohol, drink only in moderation. Get adequate sleep. Take steps to avoid infection, such as washing your hands frequently and cooking meats thoroughly. Try to minimize stress. Save and take good care of your immune system because it owns you. Support us by pressing the subscribe button.